Hey guys, it's Tara again. Welcome back. So today I wanted to do a review. One of my girlfriends actually got an iron for Christmas and she keeps telling me, she's like, I don't know how to use it. Can you please show me how to use it? So finally I was like, give me your iron and I'm gonna make a tutorial because I'm sure there's so many girls out there right now that really don't know how to use it. So this is the Tyme Iron. See where it says it. I've never used it. I just plugged it in. So we're gonna figure it out together. So here's the Tyme Iron. And it seems there's one button right here. So let's turn it on. All right, and these little lights light up. I guess that means it's heating up. First light, I'm assuming this is like the lowest heat setting. Second, third, fourth, fifth. So this would be the hottest. So let's go 4 because I don't know how hot this thing gets and I'm not trying to burn my hair. I did just shower, so this is my natural hair. I put a leave-in detangler that has heat protector and frizz fighting in it. I did have to dry it a little bit, but I think this is a good starting point because this is what most of you guys are going to be starting with. So while that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and section our hair and brush it out and get it ready. So like in all my other videos, I always start on our part and work from there. And again, we'll start in the back and work our way up and forward. Let's see if this baby's hot. Oh yeah, it's ready. Don't do that at home. So this is definitely a different shaped iron. It's not, it's like off-centered, it's angled. But when you close it, the plates come together, which is cool. There's a little lip here. So what I've heard from this Tyme Iron is that you're supposed to be able to curl your hair with it. So it's supposed to be like a flat iron, but you're curling your hair. And a lot of people use a flat iron to curl their hair. So I guess it's supposed to make your hair, or it's supposed to make it easier for you to curl your hair with a flat iron or with a Tyme Iron in this case. So I'm not sure which way. That doesn't make sense. That makes sense. We're gonna figure out which way we're gonna turn this. So let's get sectioned. Here's our section. All right. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so here we go. So if I put it in this way, oh. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay, let's try it. So I'm putting the funny side behind. So the funny side is the side with the extra lip, okay? Funny side behind. We're gonna clamp and turn and pull. I don't think this is the right way. That is not cute. Okay, so that's not the right way. Let's try it with the funny plate forward. I don't think this is hot enough. Let's turn this up one more. Okay. I think someone's in my house. Okay, no one's in my house. All right, so that did not go very smooth. You can like see, that's gross. That is not okay. So we're gonna try it with the funny end. So the end with the lip going in front of the section. And clamp and turn. This feels a little better. All right, okay. Oh, that's not bad. Looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Not bad? So the side with the lip goes in front of your hair, so towards the mirror. So let's do the next side. So now we know how to use it. Oh crap. It didn't work on that side. Oh. What? All right, let's continue. So this side, I figured it out. That's pretty nice. It's like a nice curl. I like it. Let's move on so I can teach you guys how to use this thing. Okay, our next section, temple to temple. Clip the rest up or use a ponytail or something. Okay, left and right section. Then we're gonna split this one up too. So my only concern with this one is that, how do you, okay. So this is what we're gonna do, because you know how I like to like add a little texture to the hair so I don't put all the curls going the same way, because when they go all the same way, that's when the curls like get stuck together. So we need to make sure to separate them. But in order to separate them, we need to curl the hair the opposite direction. And because of the funny lip that's on the iron, we need to figure out which way we're gonna go. So let's take this section and take a little section in the back. We're gonna do this the way we know how to do. So that means the lip of the iron, so this side, is gonna go in front of our section, like this. And when you clamp the iron down on the hair, you're gonna give it a quarter to a half turn away from the mirror. Okay, that felt good. Okay, that one worked well. Let's do the next one. So this one, I would normally roll the opposite direction, so forward and towards my face. So what that means to me is that we need to put the iron with the lip, so this side, in back of the section, and then twist forward. I don't know if this is gonna work. All right, it worked. Okay, let's do this one now. So remember, lip goes in front of the section for a normal curl, half turn away from the face. All right, I'm digging it. Okay, let's do the other side. All right, so far so good. So the best way that I can explain this, there is no best way. Whatever way you want your curl to go is where the lip is gonna go. So if you want your curl to go away from your face, then the lip is gonna go in front of your section. If you want the curl to come towards your face, then the lip is gonna go behind the section. I think that's the easiest way to explain it. When you're curling your hair, you need to clamp, and at the same time as your clamp, you need to give it a half turn and pull the half turn the whole way down your hair. So you need to have one consistent fluid motion. So if we're over here, you're clamping and turning and pulling all at the same time. Let's move on. getting good at this. So I'm gonna give myself a little added volume, so I'm gonna actually like iron my hair straight up out of my head. So just you can see. Right, remember, so the lip goes in front of the section. Coming up, twist and pull. Bam! Damn, I look cute. I don't mind this iron. So, would I use it again? Maybe. I wouldn't use it over my Marcel, but I'm a professional, so I think this would be super easy for people to use at home. I'm done. It's pretty easy. I don't know how long it's been, maybe 7, maybe 10 minutes. But I think the curls are nice. This is super cute. All right, I'm really happy with the result. I think this would be super easy for you guys to do at home. So just the only thing, look at this. I love it. My hair looks bomb. Damn, I feel like I gotta go out on a date or something. So my best advice for you guys is when you're doing this, let's turn this off. Okay. Press and hold to turn off. My best advice for you is lip goes in front of the section for the curl to go away from your face. To break up the pieces, put the lip behind the section and twist towards your face. So I think that's the easiest way to explain it. If you guys have questions, please leave them below. This is definitely a tricky iron, but I think once you get the hang of using it, I think it's gonna make your life so much easier. Would I use this over a flat iron? Probably not. I think the lip makes it super confusing on what to do, but maybe I'll do a flat iron curling tutorial for you guys next. Thanks, don't forget to subscribe and like below and leave your comments, please, and questions, and good luck.